The Way of the World as a restoration comedy. The Way of the World, written by William Congreve in 1700, is a classic example of a restoration comedy. This genre of play emerged in England during the 1660s and is characterized by its witty dialogue, satirical themes, and upper-class characters. As Mirabell aptly puts it, love is a mutual, reciprocal, instinctive, irresistible, and irrepressible attraction between two persons. One of the key features of restoration comedy is its use of wit and satire. Congreve's dialogue in The Way of the World is renowned for its cleverness and humor, poking fun at the excesses of the upper class. Lady Wishfort's comment, "Marriage is a duty, not a pleasure." This highlights the societal pressures placed on women. Another important aspect of restoration comedy is its urban setting. The Way of the World takes place in London, reflecting the city's vibrant social scene. As Millerman says, "The town is a desert without a court." These words emphasize the importance of social status. Restoration comedies typically feature upper-class characters, showcasing their flaws and follies. In The Way of the World, Congreve exposes the hypocrisy and superficiality of the aristocracy. Characters like Lady Wishfort and Sir Wilful Witwoud are expertly crafted to highlight the absurdities of the upper class. Fainall's remark, "Deceit is the game of the world," underscores the theme of deception. Marriage and love plots are also central to restoration comedy. The Way of the World explores the complexities of marriage, love, and social status through the story of Mirabell and Millamant. Mirabell's comment, "I like not that women should be handled like brittleware, but that they should be won with gentle violence," showcases his charming and cunning nature. Strong female characters are another hallmark of restoration comedy. Millamant and Lady Wishfort in The Way of the World are iconic examples, defying societal expectations and asserting their agency. Millamant's declaration, "I'll be no man's property," is a powerful statement of independence. Finally, restoration comedies provide social commentary, critiquing the norms and values of the time. The Way of the World offers insightful commentary on marriage, social status, and women's roles. Lady Wishfort's remark, "A woman's wit is her best defense," highlights the importance of intelligence and wit. In conclusion, The Way of the World embodies all the characteristic features of a restoration comedy. Its witty dialogue, satirical themes, and strong characters make it a quintessential example of this genre.